I learnt how to cut onions from a friend of mine's girlfriend when I was quite young, and then I did a cooking course a few years ago, and they taught me how to cook onions in a completely different way. And actually, which is great to know, but also I kind of brought it into the poem where it's more about, it's about onions, but it's also about sex. Knife skills. When I was young, a chef taught me how to cut onions. He stood behind me, took my hand to guide the blade. I sliced nervously, but straight like he showed me. Maybe his hand was warm. Peel off the outer parts carefully, with swift, firm tugs. Cut through the flesh, like so, almost to the root. Maybe it wasn't his hand. Press deep with even clinical strokes. Turn this way on the board, then that. The heart is the strongest part. Some choose to remove it. I was green, but he seemed old as Titan. There are skills you should learn young, like telling the truth, someone's truth. Sometimes I think of him when I cut onions. From this remove, he too was young, green maybe. I've been doing it wrong for years, maybe. The sharpness of the knife is more important, maybe it wasn't an onion. Another man convinces me it's better halved first, flat, before going at it regularly, fluently, not forced. Lengthways, then across is the trick, and quick, get it over with, so there's no time for prickling tears. Crying over it won't pull all the layers neatly back together. It's not about the onions. It's not about the men.